Hello students, this is for 12th standard chemistry, hydroxy compound and ether. So this lesson is the combination of two lessons. One is a hydroxy compound, another one is a ether. This is unit level 11, unit number 11. First question we are going to discuss about the classification of alcohol. So what is meant by alcohol? If the carbon group containing the OH group is called as an alcohol. So alcohol is further classified into monohydric, another one is a polyhydric. So in monohydric we have two classification, whether the OH group is connected to sp3 carbon atom or the OH group is connected to sp2 carbon atom. One by one we will see. First we are going to discuss about OH group is attached to sp3 carbon atom. Before we are entering into the classification, what is meant by sp3? If the carbon containing 4 sigma bond, this carbon is nothing but the sp3 carbon atom. Look at this, s1 bond, p3 bond, totally 4 sigma bonds. So in sp3 hybridized carbon atom is further classified into OH group is attached to alkyl group, that is one category, and allyl means carbon double bond and carbon single bond, that is alternative means double bond single bond alcohol, double bond single bond, it's nothing but the allyl group. So this is a allyl group and this is a allyl group. So in sp3 hybridized carbon atom along with OH, it is further classified into OH group is attached to alkyl group, OH group is attached to allyl group, and OH group is attached to benzyl group. So what is meant by benzyl? The benzene ring is connected to C carbon atom is called as a benzyl. Look at this, C6H5CH, C6H5C. This is called as a benzyl. So it is further classified into primary, secondary, tertiary. So what is meant by primary, secondary, tertiary? We have two different explanations for primary, secondary, tertiary. I will give you very simple manner to explain or to identify which compound is a primary, secondary, tertiary. First one, what is primary? If the functional group is connected with the CH2, it is called as a primary. Here this one is also a primary and this one is also a primary. Okay, what is meant by secondary? If the functional group is connected with the CH is secondary, this is also secondary and this is also a secondary. And if the functional group is connected with the carbon, it is called as a tertiary, and this one is also a tertiary and this one is also a tertiary. This is the primary, secondary, tertiary classification. This is very important. So next one, what is meant by OH group attached to sp2 carbon atom? sp2 carbon atom means carbon containing only 3 sigma bond. Of course the carbon need to attain the valency 8 configuration, it must containing 4, that the fourth electron is involved in the pi bond. So pi bond is not consideration, only sigma bond 3 is there. So S is 1 and P2, so that is called as a sp2 hybridized carbon atom. So this carbon is a sp2 hybridized carbon atom, so this is called as a vinyl. Vinyl means CH2 double bond CH, it is called as a vinyl group. Okay, next, these are all the monohydric. Why we are saying this one is a monohydric? All the groups, these are all the groups containing only one OH. Okay, next, polyhydric alcohol. Polyhydric means it containing more than one group, so it is further classified into dihydric, trihydric, polyhydric. Polyhydric means sorbitol. One by one we will discuss. So dihydric means it containing two OH. For example, instead of writing the formula like this, you can write CH2OH and CH2OH. This is called as a glycol. So when you are writing the glycerol like this, you can write like this, CH2OH, CHOH and CH2OH. You can write like this. Sorbitol also you can write 6 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon atom, and put OH in each carbon atom and balance the hydrogen. So this is called as a polyhydric alcohol. So in the hydroxy lesson The classification of alcohol is very important. Take down this one. Keep it in mind, especially primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Thank you.